Hey WordPress websites owners and creators. So we are answering multiple questions every day related to WordPress website at our iCreate program. You are also welcome to ask any question. So today we got a good question that is a common requirement for almost all WordPress sites. And this question is how I can disable comments on my WordPress website. The same question was asked 2 days back. I don't want any comments on my blog post connected to my WordPress site. Almost all are spam. How can I stop? So, this is a very common question and very common requirement for all WordPress website because as we have seen in our experience, the comments on the WordPress site is a welcome to spam in general cases. So if you are not handling it properly, so in general, all the WordPress sites has blog section, and there are many blogs you might be posting at your WordPress website. Blogs means post, and there is also a comment section with every blog where the visitors of the website can post comments. So depending upon your setting, logged in or even a guest visitor can post comment on your blog post. So this is the area where uh, there are chances to put spam comments with the links, and it is going to mess up your WordPress site as well. So you are getting multiple spams and you are being happy that you are getting very good comments, but they are actually a spam in most of the cases. I am not saying in all cases. So the thing is that how we can completely disable this comment if we don't need this. So this is an example website that we created in earlier video during our overview of EcoByte WordPress theme. This is a good WordPress theme. You can also use this for your IT website projects. Okay, so let us add a plugin, free plugin. Of course, I am exploring all free plugins that can be really helpful for you. The plugin is Disable Comments. Its name is clearly indicating the purpose of this plugin. So remove comments and stop spam multi-site support, and it has already got 1 million plus active installs. So using this plugin, you can turn off comments on your WordPress post, pages, attachments, and stop the spammers. There are multiple features with this plugin that you can explore, like you can enable disable comments on your WordPress content pages, post, media, or to stop the spammers. WP CLI XML RPC support spam comments. Okay, right? So you can watch this video. I'm going to add the link of this plugin in the description of this video so that you may easily download it. It is free and it can be downloaded at WordPress repository. Okay, so let us install this plugin. Let us see how easily we can do this on this example site. So I'm going to add this plugin here, and so I'm collecting all great plugins that can be helpful for your WordPress website. And when you are having a WordPress website, you have limitless possibility in terms of adding features and controlling your site. So just in case if you have any question, I am inviting you all WordPress website owners, developers, creators can ask question here freely. Connect a mentor. There is no charge, no conditions, so you can ask questions here. We will try our level best to answer all your queries, right? Coming back here, and I can simply click on install now. So this is the plugin WP developer are the developers. It has got 1+ million active installation, and you can simply understand the requirement of this plugin, and it is being used by multiple users. I mean 1 million plus users. Okay, so let us activate this and we can go directly to the settings. Okay, where it is. So disable comments. So we can go to the settings, and here we have options. Like we have mainly two section in the option. Either we can disable comments or we can either delete all comments in one go. So in an earlier video, I shown how you can delete all comments using the database. That may be complicated for new users of WordPress. So this is the solution where I got randomly here to delete all the comments in one go. So like we can disable comments, so we can simply select everywhere, or we can choose to a specific post, pages, media, or floating element. And if you are willing to exclude something like exclude disable comments on setting based on user rules, so it is here. So you can select the user types, and you can restrict particular user types from posting comments. And further, we have option to disable the avatar, disable comments with API. So this is also a very good option. It is all free, so it is, I'm not using any pro version. So it is totally under our control how we want to implement this disabling system, comment disabling system at our WordPress website. And if you are choosing the everywhere, it is stopped everywhere, saved. So now I can check back to blog post. Now, however, I'm logged in as an administrator. So let us see if it is disabled for administrator ID. So it is not here. The comment option is not here. It means it is gone. So even for administrator, it is disabled. And as I said, you can choose if you want to exclude certain user types from this restriction. Okay. And in the next section, we can either delete all the comments. I can check if there is any comment, but comments are closed. Okay, sorry. So comments are already closed. So how it can be here? So we can. Okay, now I made it again available for comments, and now the comment navigation was also disappeared when I enable this. So now it is available here. So I can check some comments. It is here. So let us check this plugin action, the delete comments, and we have option again here. So these settings will permanently delete comments for your entire website or for a specific post or comment types. This is really great. So if we are targeting to delete certain post types or pages, comments from post pages, so we can choose here and delete certain comments type as well, like comment, or if it may be spam. So if you have already got multiple spam comments and you are willing to delete those all at once, so you can easily delete from here. Total comments are 5 in my case. So what I can do, I can simply choose the delete everywhere and delete comments. And are you sure? Yes, delete it. This is just a demo site. So now I'm coming back and refreshing the page. Okay, it is gone. Everything is zero here. What an amazing plugin for the purpose it had been made, and I'm sure you are going to use this if you are going to willing to handle the comments at your WordPress website. Don't wait, and it can be a very good fix for comments issues, spam issues at your WordPress website. Go for this. It is working fine and being used by millions of users. Thank you. And in the next video, I'm coming with more. Don't miss to subscribe and press the bell button